Hello everyone, we are Team Chakravyuh and we four are the members of this team. We are representing this idea for TedXPanaji and our application is Chakravyuh. By using our application, we will say goodbye to centralized control and we'll say hi to DAEG, basically a decentralized autonomous AI generator where AI owns the world. So basically, what happens in centralized system is there are central authorities that control our data and all the privacy that we are having are controlled by them only. Like we can see, we are using so many platforms like Google, ChatGPT, Meta, and we are providing our personal data to those websites, but they are the central authority that handles our data and that controls all of our data. Even they can sell our data to anyone without our consent. Without our consent, and there are many things like biases and unequal access that can happen in centralized system. So to make a solution over it, we have designed our application that is Chatlock, which provides transparency, privacy, fairness, and accountability. So let's consider decentralization in an application. With decentralized autonomous AI generator, we have built an AI that lives on the blockchain and it is not the data centric. It learns from all the users, not from the hidden data sets that company provides it. And even it rewards users with tokens for every contribution they do. Like if they provide data, they provide feedback, or they do model training, or they help in any decision making, it will reward users with something that we have implemented in our solution. So basically we wanted to shift from centralized system to decentralization, from eliminating the central authority from the application.
Right. So the main features which we are trying to integrate in this our system is the first the decentralized knowledge exchange. So in our project we are making this decentralized. It means all the data will be stored on a decentralized server. It means that no one can make a misuse of it or no one can sell those data. So here we are trying to make a universal AI framework which will be open source and that can be also for the localized language models as well, like Marathi, Hindi, English. We are trying to make accessible for all those languages. As you all know, the Ghibli system, the Ghibli images, recently the OpenAI 4 which generated the Ghibli images, the trend. So in which what happened? Millions and billions of users tried their images and they have generated their photo to Ghibli images. So what happened? We were giving our images to the OpenAI model, and OpenAI were using it to train their model. So that is not a right thing. We should get money for that. Like we are giving our private images for them, and they are misusing those images. Or there are various types of systems, not only the Ghibli, but images, the various types of data, company data. Many types of data are there which gets leaked or misused by those companies. So here we invented a tokenized incentive system in our project. So what will happen if we give our photo or if we give our personal data to them, then we will get also rewarded by them in cryptocurrency. So in this field we have integrated blockchain in that. So what will happen? The user will get incentivized so that if they are using our data, we will get money for that. So user consent first. User will give consent. Tokenized rewards will be there. Model will be transparent. As it is a decentralized, everyone can see how it is trained, how everything is happening. Not only that, as it is a decentralized, the total control will be over on the user side. It means that if the user want to implement this system, then by the help of smart contract and by the help of total voting system, the final decision will be taken. It will be not by basically user. So this is the solution which we made for this decentralized autonomous AI generator.
So the tech stack of our application is, so we use Ethereum, Polygon, and Filecoin for the secure data storage and smart contract-based voting. For AI, we rely on TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face to build models like Chatbot, smart contracts in Solidity, automate governance and rewards. And for privacy, we use zero knowledge proofs and differential privacy to protect user data. Uh, in slide 2, global impact and use cases. So anyone can access AI without high fees, even students and small startups. Our data stays private. The AI never stores personal information. So it is decentralized, so no one can shut it down, and it supports local languages like and culturals, like making it useful and worldwide. So the roadmap. So in phase one, we'll build a prototype using open source AI. In phase 2, we'll onboard the community, the launch tokens. In phase 3, we'll hand over control to the community. And in phase 4, we'll offer AI services and support to local use cases. So this is the use case diagram. So this diagram shows how people interact with the application. So basically, developers train models, teacher uploads educational content, users chat with the AI. So everyone earns tokens and helps shape the platform. So this is the system diagram. So this system diagram shows how all parts are connected. The AI model, decentralized storage, the user dashboard, and blockchain-based governance all work together securely.
Okay, so future implementation. What extra can done in the field of generative AI? So what we have planned is like we can make like some unique ideas like a think space. What a think space is an augmented reality workspace where your thoughts float around. Like what is it? Like think space is an AR powered digital workspace where your AI generated ideas, notes and code blocks, mind maps or diagrams literally float around your vision. And it can be possible through AR VR glasses. Like how it can work, like you can speak or you can think, an AI model instantly generate a quick sticky note or diagram in your space. So also we we can do mind map VR, like walk through your brain's ideas. Like what it is, like mind map VR is a virtual reality knowledge space where you and AI build, walk through and explore a 3D map of your thoughts, goals and related concepts. So like no one has innovated in AR VR concept in generative AI, and we are so close. Like our country has made so close to it. Like we can achieve such future technologies, and we can make very innovative solutions that can stand out our application against several platforms that are available right now. So like why this is revolutionary, like there is no as such platform that provides AR VR solutions, and many of the platforms are centralized, and we are providing the decentralized solution which helps user to track their own data. Like they will get the visibility of their data, they will get to know who is going to use that data, and also they are going to be benefited as they are helping the model to get trained. They are getting incentivized, and this solution will make an good impact in the society. As now, in conclusion, we can say that this year DeepSeek launched their AI model, and which is a very bold move in the AI. Like we can see that past in few years, ChatGPT and like last year, models like V0, Bolt, and various models like Perplexity, Bard. They launched their AI models, and there are plenty of AI models in the market. But why our application should stand out? So, like we should think that China also introduced their model now. Now I believe that it's India's turn. With our talent, our culture, and our digital strength, we must build our own Gen AI, not just to catch up but to lead. A Gen AI that speaks our languages, understands our people, that respects our value, and empowers every Indian. A farmer from Maharashtra to coder in Bangalore. We are dreaming a nation of 1.4 billion dreams. We should not just consume AI, but we should create it. Now it's time to build a Gen AI that the world looks up to proudly, made in India for the world. Thank you.